If the doctor you sued actually apologizes to you during trial, will that help his defense? Will it diffuse any of your claims that you're bringing against him? You want to know the answer? Come join me on this walk as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. All right, so let's say you brought a lawsuit against your doctor claiming that he was careless and that his carelessness caused you significant harm and injury. Your doctor refuses to accept responsibility. He says, I did nothing wrong, and whatever I did didn't cause or contribute to your injury. And even if I did something wrong that did cause you injury, guess what? Your injuries are not that bad. Those are the typical defenses we see in these medical malpractice cases. So now, during the course of trial, the doctor whom you have sued is going to be testifying. In all likelihood, you and your attorney will be calling this doctor as your very first witness. And during the course of testimony, if the doctor goes ahead and turns to you and actually apologizes for what happened, is that going to help you or is it going to help the doctor? In some instances where the doctor actually apologizes to you in front of the jury, that actually might humanize him, so now the jury realizes, listen, this isn't just some horrible monster. This is a guy who has feelings. This is a guy who feels bad for what actually occurred. But he's telling us that, hey, listen, he's not responsible for what actually occurred, and he's giving rational explanations. In that instance, now it may actually help him explain to the jury why you suffered the injuries that you did, and it had nothing to do with his actions or inactions. By humanizing his story, by humanizing what happened, it makes the jury realize, listen, this is a human interaction. People are frail, people have frailties, not everybody is perfect, and even if what he did is correct, now at least he comes across to the jury as being sensitive, as being understanding, as being compassionate, which is what jurors want to see in their doctors, right? That's one of the key factors that we look at when we're evaluating a doctor's actions. We want to see, is he remorseful? Is he angry? Is he vicious? Is he demanding? Is he nasty? We want to see what type of person he is. And if he gets up and he says, listen, I'm so sorry what happened to you. This is something that's unfortunate. It's a risk. It's something that can happen. But it's not because of anything I did incorrectly or improperly. In that instance, in all likelihood, it's going to help him with his defense rather than help you, the injured patient. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases in New York. You know, I do realize you're likely watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.